day I feel time slipping.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Asteria here once more. Before I jump into the box, I saw that with the package I got this thing. So this actually is like a curler thing. You don't need heat, like a heatless curler thing that you wrap the hair around. It even has like the diagrams on it, and I've actually seen this in like an ad before, and when I saw it I was like, yo, this is cool. And to say that they sent this to me, I was so happy. So I got this. That's a really nice piece of goodie right there. So yeah. So as I open the box, of course there's the wig. I got a pair of lashes, edge brush and comb, scarf. I got a really nice elastic headband. This looks like it's comfortable around the hairline. You know, it has a velcro and everything. I got a wig cap and one of the drawstring bags that is branded with their name. So I must say, I think I mentioned to you guys before that I'm not the biggest on like brown colored like hair, you know. So but I'm stepping out, you know. This is a very dark brown wig, and I must say it's really beautiful. I really love how it looks. It's a body wave, as you can see. But one thing I've noticed taking this out of the package, this is a HD lace, right? A skin melt, transparent, undetectable HD lace. And I can tell you, it's so nicely pre-plucked. Like, it's really nicely pre-plucked. I love that. I love a good hairline. Trust and believe. Like, it's gorgeous. So it's a 13 by 4. It has 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it looks really good. Like, it's nice and full. It's 22 inches long, by the way. I don't remember if I told you. And it's 180% in density. It's also a medium cap. As you guys know, that's all that I ever wear. Medium cap size. Can't go wrong with that sizing. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. The color job, it's really not bold at all. It's a very subtle color. So if you're used to black hair and you want a very subtle change, this is your wig. That's if you're into brown. So guys, I know I said, like, you know, I'm not that big of a fan of brown, but I feel like, you know what, it's growing on me, because this is a really pretty wig. Like, it's really pretty, and I'm loving it so much. I'm actually going to do a glue install today. Like, I cut off the excess lace on the side portion, like at my ears, and then I pretty much install with the glue in halves. So I do one half of the hairline and then the next half. I don't do the entire thing all at once, because sometimes everything don't lay like instantly like how I'd like. I do it in halves to kind of simplify the application. So I cut it right there, and then after I cut it, I basically get my alcohol wipe, and you must cleanse the area that you're applying glue with. So even though you see me wearing makeup, no, never put, you know, any form of adhesive on the makeup, on the skin. Like, you don't want to break out. So I'm just wiping away the area there. And I'm only gonna do 2 layers of glue today. So and as of course, you know, you don't apply the lace, you don't like lay it until the glue is tacky and clear.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away.
you can see, I'm done with applying the glue. So I went ahead and applied this elastic band to further melt the lace in. So I'm gonna take my wax stick and kind of just, you know, get everything going towards the back, but I'm going to do a center part. That's what I want to do. Center part. The last brown wig I installed, I did a side part, so I said let me just do a center part. I'm gonna use my concealer, go over my comb, the tail, to further pronounce my parting.
Every time I divide.
So the waves are coming in here, they're pretty nice. So what you're seeing is the line from the band, the elastic band, but everything, look, I didn't have to recreate anything there. So I'm gonna rock it just like it comes straight out the box. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. This is exactly how I'm gonna rock it. Really pretty. Hairline looks good. Everything looks good. It's definitely a go. It's a win. So shout out to Asteria wigs. Asteria wigs always come through with the good quality. They always do. They do. So I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so please do go ahead and check that out. It's down there. The direct link to the wig, it's down there, so go ahead, check it out. If you're interested in getting this, go ahead and do so. If I do have any discount codes, that will also be listed, so you could get dollars off if possible. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's wig video. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.